Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to archive tasks on ClickUp. Maybe you want to hide completed or inactive tasks to maintain a history of your work. So today I'm going to show you how to archive tasks on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, you will see all of your tasks. Now, find the task that you want to archive. For example, I want to archive this task, so simply tap on it. Once you have opened the task, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner. A menu will pop up below with various options. And here, you can now see this archive option. Since you wanted to archive this task, simply tap on this option. After that, you now have successfully archived a task on ClickUp. You can now keep your workspace organized without losing important information. There you go. If you wanted to know how to archive tasks on ClickUp, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to archive tasks on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.